Hey guys, so this is a short video and just to do a quick overview of the backend side of Granite and show you where certain sections are located. So as you log into your website, this is what the dashboard will look like initially. And on the left hand side, we just have a column of certain menu items where adjustments can be made to the site. So first of all, we have a section called slideshow. This is where you'll add every single slideshow on your website. Similar to what we currently have on our homepage, this is where you'll be adding in your slideshows. Next off, we have a section called posts. This is related to your blog post, so every single blog post that you create will be added in over here. Next off, you can add in categories and tags for blog posts as well. Within the galleries area, quite similar to blog posts, everything in terms of your galleries, your portfolios will be managed within this area as well. And you can also create new categories for your galleries, blog posts, as you can see here, and the video section as well. So the video section will be helpful for those who will be using the theme mainly for video or who want to add in video galleries. This is where you'll be managing your videos. The media library is where all of your website content is located. So anything you add in terms of images or fonts or any file that you upload to your WordPress backend, you'll be able to find them within your media library. Next off, we have an area called pages. This is where every single page of the site will be located, and this is where you'll be adding and creating new pages for the site as well. Next off, we have an area called appearance, and there are several sub menu items where you'll be making adjustments. Our first area is called themes. This is where you upload a new theme. This is where all of the themes that you've used within your WordPress website, they are located within this area here. Next off, we have an area called widgets. This is where you'll manage every single widget on your website. For those of you who will be using Flotheme widgets, for example, if we take a quick look at the footer of the Granite website, you'll see that we have a Flow Instagram widget. So this is where you'll be managing areas like that. And then we have a area called menus. This is responsible for the navigation structure on your website. Okay, so these are the three primary areas that you'll be using within the appearance section. Next off, we have an area called plugins. This area is responsible for pretty much every single plugin that you upload to your WordPress site. As you can see here, we have Flow Mosaic, Flow Shortcodes, Ninja Forms, and so on and so forth. Every single plugin, once again, is managed within this area. Within the users area, this is for your user login details. You'll be able to change your password, add an avatar image, whatever it may be. You'll be able to add in users over here, or if there's more than one person managing the website, you can also create a new user. The Visual Composer, this is an activated plugin, so we'll skip that. Next off, we have the settings area. Within settings, there are several areas that you'll need to manage. First of all, this is the general settings where you can adjust your website title, you can adjust the taglines, and you'll also be able to adjust the admin email address. Next off, we have the readings area. Within this area, you will define your homepage or set the homepage, and if necessary, set your blog page and adjust the blog posts displayed within your blog page. And over here within our permalinks area, this is responsible for your link structure. Okay, and finally we have our flow theme area, and this is probably one of the more important areas you'll need to know in terms of managing and customizing your theme. So first of all, we have an area called general settings. Within this area, you can adjust obviously the general settings of your website, meaning your backgrounds, colors, titles, social media, etc. Okay, scrolling further down, we have header and logo. This is where everything related to your header and logo can be managed. Within content settings, everything in terms of listings such as blog posts, gallery posts, video posts, all of that is managed within this area here. And then you can also see that it's broken down into subsections within as well. Okay, then we have footer settings, we have typography, and this is where you will be managing all of your fonts. As you'll see, it's broken down into two primary sections. One is called base fonts or basic fonts, and then we have advanced fonts if you require more in-depth customization of your fonts, and you can see that we have a larger list of items listed here. For those of you who need to add in custom fonts, we have a separate section for that as well, where you can upload your own custom fonts. And finally, the custom CSS area is for more advanced users who will be applying custom CSS to their website. So any bits and pieces of custom CSS code, this is the area where you will need to add that. So this is just a quick overview of the Granite backend. We do hope this video helps, but we do encourage you to check out our written documentation for further details and information on how to start adding in your content and how to start using your website.